Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you can add total on the bottom of a field in Airtable. It is very simple. All you have to do is to add a new field, and I am adding a price field in which I'm gonna add different prices. Then you have to select this currency one, and you can select a currency, like you can select dollars or pounds or euros, whatever. And then you just have to press this create field button and it is created. Now on the bottom, as you can see, it says sum, so it has already created a total or a sum function. But in case it says something else, like if it says average or if it says minimum or maximum, all you have to do is you have to look at the bottom, and then you have to click it, and you have to find sum. And once you select sum, it's all good. Now in the price, when you enter something, I add 500, and as you can see, the sum is now 500. But then I add 250 more, and the sum is now 750. I add 150 more, the sum is now 900, and if I add 100 more, it will say 1000. So this basically tells us the total of all the numbers that we have in this field. So the price field has all of these four numbers, and their sum or their total equals to 1000. So you can also change it to get a minimum or maximum. In our case, the maximum is 500, but you can play with it and you can select it to anything you like. So this is how you get total in a field in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.